Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over a Redfin article that was published on April 17th. Title of it was Home Price Growth is Losing Steam as Buyers Back Off Amid Economic Instability and High Costs. So the key points and takeaways, it seems likely that U.S. home prices grew by 2.6% year over year as of April 13th, 2025, slowing from earlier in the year. Research suggests median home prices dropped in 10 of the 50 largest metros, mainly Texas and Florida. The evidence leans towards increased new listings, that's up 11.2%, and homes for sale up 12.3%. But pending sales and mortgage applications are down. Home buying demand appears slow due to high costs and economic worries like tariffs and recession fears. Mortgage rates seem to be around 6.86% daily and 6.62% weekly, showing some fluctuation but lower than last year. Home price trends. U.S. home prices have shown a slowdown with a 2.6% year-over-year increase as of April 13th, 2025, compared to a 5 to 6% at the end of 2024 and the start of 2025. In some regions, like 10 of the 50 most populous metros, mostly Texas and Florida, median home sale prices have actually decreased year over year. Market activity. The housing market is seeing more supply with new listings up 11.2% and total homes for sale up 12.3% year over year. However, demand is weaker with pending sales down 0.8% and mortgage purchase applications dropping 5% week over week. Demand and economic factors. Home buying demand is sluggish, likely due to record high housing costs, with the median monthly mortgage payment at $2,800 a month, and economic instability, including concerns about tariffs, stock market volatility, and potential recessions. Mortgage rates and market dynamics. Mortgage rates show some variation with the daily average of 30-year fixed rate at 6.8% on April 16, 2025, near a 2-month high, but down from 7.3% year over year. The weekly average was 6.62% for the week ending April 10th, the lowest since mid-December. Despite the slowdown, touring activity is up 39% from the start of the year, and Google searches for home for sale have increased by 10% from a month earlier and 4% year over year. Detailed analysis and observation. The section provides a comprehensive breakdown of the housing market update as of April 18th, 2025, based on available data. The analysis covers national trends, regional variations, market dynamics, and economic factors influencing the housing market, ensuring a thorough understanding for stakeholders and interested parties. National home price growth and slowdown. The U.S. housing market is experiencing a notable slowdown in price growth. As of 4 weeks ending April 13th, 2025, home prices grew by 2.6% year over year, a significant increase from 5 to 6% growth observed at the end of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. This suggests a cooling market potentially due to increased supply and reduced demand. The median sale price is reported at $387,000, up 2.6% year over year, while the median asking price is higher at $428,530, up 6.5%, indicating some disparity between the listing and selling prices. Regional variations and metro-specific data. Regional differences are evident, with median home sale prices decreasing year over year in 10 of the 50 most populous metros, predominantly in Texas and Florida. For instance, Jacksonville, Florida saw a price decrease of 2.8%, and San Antonio experienced a 1.8% drop. Conversely, some metros saw significant price increases, such as Newark, New Jersey, with a 10.9% rise, and Cleveland with a 10.6% increase. Pending sales also varied, with Columbus, Ohio seeing a 16.8% increase, while Cleveland had a 24.8% decrease. New listings showed mixed trends, surging by 28.8% in Washington, D.C., but falling by 6.2% in Houston. Implications and observations. So we're going to the data suggests that a housing market in transition, with price growth losing steam nationally and regionally, variations highlighting diverse market conditions. The increase in supply and decrease and decrease in demand point to a potential shift towards a buyer's market in some areas, particularly where prices are dropping. Economic factors, including high housing costs and recession fears, are likely contributing to buyer caution, while sellers may be preemptively listing to capitalize on current conditions. The mortgage rate trends, while still relatively high, offer some relief compared to last year, potentially influencing the future market dynamics. There you have it. That sums up the article from Redfin. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for more resources, take a look at the links in the description. And appreciate your time. And until next time, thanks a lot.